Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm basically at David's garage and DMB Auto, basically to um, install the muffler system on the car. It's a bit late now, but the guy doing the welding said that he'll actually get it done. So I'll just show you the pipings that I have. So as you can see, the car is on the ramp. So I have this basically 3-inch pipe, right? And I also have a 3-inch cherry bomb as well. And I have this grady muffler as well. So basically that's what we're going to do. And I bought this adapter piece as well. It's not matching up to the triangular piece that is up there. But what he's going to do is just cut that piece off and just weld this piece on it so that it can match up. Right? So you will see what is going on. Right? Get some nice sound on this car.